Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can book hotels here on trip.com. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for trip.com. And then if you don't have an account yet, then you just have to sign up for one. Okay, so to check your profile, you just have to tap on this one right here, and then you can manage your account from here. Okay, so right here at the left side, we have these options. So all you have to do is to select the hotels and homes. That's right. And then here, you just have to select your location where you want to book your hotel. For example, Manila, Philippines. And then you just have to select your dates. So we have the checked-in date and the checked-out date. Okay, and then here we have the number of rooms you want to book and for how many people, and if you have children with you, so you just have to add here the number of people. After that, you just have to tap on the search option. Okay, and then you'll be able to see here now the different hotels that you can book. For example, we want this one, so we can clearly see here the price of this hotel. So to check the availability, tap on this button, and then here is the images for this room. Then after that, you just have to select your room. For example, we want this one. So tap on the reserve option, and then here you'd be able to see this fields where you have to input the guest information. So take note that the guest names must match the valid ID which will be used at checked in. Okay, and then after that, if you have special requests as well, so you just have to add it right here. And then the last step is the final confirmation. So it includes the payment methods that you want to use, and then you just have to pay for this booking. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.